Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your very first time here, you are so welcome. Please take a moment, get comfortable, loosen your shoulders and just be present with me. There is no rush here. Today is gentle. What we are doing today may look simple, just an unboxing, but sometimes the simplest moments hold the deepest meaning. Right here in front of me is my Kenwood stand mixer, and as I open this box, I want us to talk not about perfection, not about pressure, not about life, but about life, patience and becoming. If you've ever felt tired, if you've ever waited longer than expected, if you've ever wondered, am I doing enough? Then this video is for you. There's something no one really prepares us for in life. They teach us how to dream, they teach us how to plan, but they don't teach us how to wait. Waiting is the quiet part of life, the invisible work, the season where nothing seems to be happening, but everything is actually changing. Many of us are standing in a place where the vision is clear, but the results are still loading. And let me tell you something important: nothing is wrong with you. Some things take time not because you're slow, but because they are valuable. Think about it. The strongest things are never rushed. Trust, skill, confidence, stability, growth. Life is not a race. It is becoming. Sometimes life gives you just enough to keep going, not enough to relax, not enough to quit, just enough to grow stronger. And that can feel frustrating. You see others move faster, others achieving quicker, others celebrating milestones. But comparison is a thief that doesn't steal success. It steals peace. Your timeline is custom made. I'll tell you a story. There was once a group of people walking the same road. Some had fast shoes, some walked barefoot, some carried heavy bags, and some had nothing but hope. From a distance, it looked unfair. But what no one saw was that each person was learning exactly what they needed for the road ahead. The one who walked slowly learnt patience. The one who struggled learnt resilience. The one who waited learnt wisdom. And in the end, they didn't arrive as the same people who started the journey. The road didn't delay them, it developed them. So if you feel like life is moving quietly right now, please understand, quiet doesn't mean stagnant. And that's why moments like this, moments we once imagined, deserve to be honored. This box in front of me represents more than an appliance. It represents progress, planning, and gratitude. So let's take our time. Let's open it slowly. As I unbox this Kenwood stand mixer, the first thing I notice is how beautifully made it is. It feels solid. It feels dependable. It feels like something designed to support you, not stress you. This stand mixer is incredibly versatile and can be used for mixing, for kneading, for whipping, supporting both home baking and baking businesses. And one feature I absolutely love: this mixer can be detached and used as a hand mixer. That means more flexibility, more comfort, less strain, and better control when you need it. It's like having two tools in one, working with you instead of against you. Tools matter, not because they define you, but because they support your efforts. And it's okay to want ease. It's okay to upgrade. It's okay to celebrate progress. Let me say this gently. You don't need to struggle to deserve good things. Ease does not make you lazy. Rest does not make you weak. Support does not reduce your worth. If you're watching this and thinking, one day I'll have mine, please hear me clearly. One day is not a lie. One day is not foolish, one day is not far. Sometimes one day is simply waiting for the right moment, not the perfect moment. And when it comes, it will feel right. Be proud of how far you've come. Be kind to who you are becoming. Thank you for being here with me today. Thank you for listening, for breathing, for sharing this quiet moment. If this video made you feel encouraged, relaxed, or seen, even just a little, please like this video, leave a comment. I truly want to hear from you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so we can keep sharing moments like this. Remember, you're not late, you're not behind, you are on time for your life. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep believing. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.